Hi everyone, I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Friends, if you want to sound smart, confident and fluent in English, master these 10 magical structures. આ 10 structures તમને fluent પણ બનાવશે અને smart પણ બનાવશે. So let's start. Structure number 1. I prefer plus ing. Example, I prefer reading at night. મને રાત્રે વાંચવું ગમે છે. Number 2. I would rather plus base verb. Example, I'd rather stay home. મને ઘરે રહેવું પસંદ છે. Next number, I'm supposed to. Example, I am supposed to finish my work. મારે કામ પૂરું કરવાનું છે. Next, you might want to. Example, you might want to check again. તમે ફરી ચેક કરો તો સારું. Next, I was wondering if. Example, I was wondering if you could help me. તમે મદદ કરી શકો એવું વિચારતી હતી. Next one, the reason is that. Example, the reason is that I was busy. કારણ એ હતું કે હું વ્યસ્ત હતી. Next one, as far as I know. Example, as far as I know is correct. મારી જાણ પ્રમાણે તો આ સાચું છે. Next one, it looks like. Example, it looks like it's going to rain. લાગે છે કે વરસાદ પડશે. Next one, no matter what. Example, no matter what happen, stay strong. શું પણ થાય, મજબૂત રહો. Now last, I didn't mean to. Example, I didn't mean to hurt you. મારો એવો કોઈ અર્થ નહોતો. So guys, use these structures daily and your English will transform. તમે આ સ્ટ્રક્ચર્સને રોજ ઉપયોગ કરો. તમારું ઇંગ્લિશ બદલાઈ જશે. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for more English plus motivation video. Take care and goodbye.